boys and girls. Today we are going to be talking about like fractions. And we are actually going to be adding like fractions. What is a like fraction? A like fraction is a fraction that has the same bottom number in the fraction. So it would have the same bottom number under that horizontal line. Who remembers what that bottom number is called in a fraction? Denominator. Say that with me. Denominator. I remember it's called the denominator because I think of down under the horizontal line. My denominator is down under. So they have to have the same denominator to be a like fraction. Well, what's a denominator? Well, let's think. A denominator tells us how many parts are in a whole when we've divided up, right? Remember when we did the pizzas and we divided our whole pizza up so we could share. We divided the pizza into equal parts, and when we cut it up, that's how many parts there are. So let's say we have these two circles. We've divided them both into 4 equal parts. So 4 would be my denominator. I'm going to go ahead and write the denominator for each of these circles because I know both of those have 4 parts. Now I'm going to color a fraction of my whole. So it's divided into 4. In the first one, I'm going to use a pink color. I'm going to color some parts. What fraction did I color pink? 1/4. 1 part out of 4. So I would say 1/4. My top number is called the numerator. It's above that horizontal line. This one I'm going to shade in with a different color. Some parts. What's the fraction that I shaded that's green? 2/4. 2 parts out of 4 are shaded green, so that fraction is 2/4. These are like fractions. They're like fractions because the denominator is the same. They're divided into the same amount of parts equally. Now, let's say I want to add these together. So let's say I have a pie and I want to divide it up. I'm going to have 1 piece of pie and my friend is going to have 2 pieces of pie. The pie is divided into the same amount of parts, into 4 parts. I'm going to see how many that we ate all together. Well, I can look at it this way. I can put a plus sign. My denominator is the same, so I'm going to add the numerators. So I'm actually going to draw a circle. I'm going to divide it into 4 equal parts. And I'm going to draw one of the pieces pink. That's the part I had. My friend had 2 parts out of 4. So how many did we have altogether? What fraction of the pie did we have altogether? 1/4 plus 2/4. We're adding the numerator. 1 plus 2. How much does that give us? 3 parts out of 4. So my answer would be 3/4. We ate 3/4 of the pie. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next circle. It's divided into 8 parts. I have 2 circles that are divided into 8 parts. My denominator is going to be the same. So I'm going to color or shade in some of the parts to see what fraction we have. We'll count the parts. In the first circle, I colored 3 parts. So it's 3/8. The second circle, I'm going to color 2 parts. That fraction would be 2/8. You guys are really good at recognizing fractions. Now I'm going to add those together, and I can add them together because both of these circles are divided in the same amount of parts. They both have 8 parts. So I can do this. I can make my pie again, I guess you could call it. I can divide it into 8 parts. They're both divided into 8. I can shade my 2 pink ones and my 3 orange ones. I'm going to see how many we have all together. I'm just going to add the numerators. The denominator will stay the same because I haven't changed the parts. The parts are the same. They're alike. So 3/8 plus 2/8 will give me 3 plus 2, we know is 5. If I add those together, we have 5/8. My denominator stays the same. We can also look at a rectangle shape that's divided into parts. I want you to do this one. You do this one by yourself. Think about what you think the answer would be if we added them together. What is this fraction plus this fraction? Do they both have the same denominator? If they do, they're like fractions and we can add them. We would add the numerator. Let's see if you're right. 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 1 plus 1 equals 2. Am I going to add 3 plus 3? No. This number, the denominator, tells me how many parts I have. I still have 3 parts. I'm just adding the fraction of the part together. I'm adding 1 part out of 3 plus 1 part out of 3. So I would add these 2 parts together. 1 plus 1 equals 2, but I still have 3 parts. So 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/3. Good job. do this one together. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals, well, I have like fractions. My shape is divided into two parts. I'm just adding the numerator together. 1 plus 1 equals 2. I know that 2 over 2 would equal a whole. So it would look like this. I would shade in both of these parts. The whole square would be shaded in. Well, we're going to practice adding our like fractions today.